Yeah. So here number of subsets. So now I told you this one. So 4. So number of subsets. But I told you 10 different objects are there now. 4 element subsets. That means what? Subsets containing 4 elements. Subsets containing 4 elements is 10C4. Why 10C4? 10C4. That is 10 factorial by 10 minus 4. 6 factorial into 4 factorial. That's what I told. That means what? You don't know. Number of subsets are number of selections. Number of selections. Number of ways of selecting 4 objects is 10C4. 10C4. How did we get this? 10C4. We don't know what is 10C4. Let us say 10C4. But if you select and then arrange 4 factorial ways, 10P4 you get. So from this we are getting 10C4, meaning 10C4, 10 factorial by 10 minus 4 factorial, 6 factorial, this 4 factorial. So like this. So similarly, what I asked is number of subsets. You all know 10 different elements are there. 10 elements are there. So set containing 10 elements. Okay, set ki 10. Okay, set lo 10 elements unte. Number of subsets in 2 to the power of 10 and we నేర్చుకున్నారు. How did you get this 2 to the power of 10? How did we get this 2 to the power of 10? How did we get this 2 to the power of 10 is like this. So empty set is 1. 10C0. 10C0 means what? Empty set. That's 1. 10C0. 10 factorial by 10 minus 10. 10 minus 0. 10 factorial into 0 factorial. This is 1. So 10C0. That means empty set is 1 is empty set. One subset. Empty set is subset of everything. So 10C0 empty set plus 10C1. That means set containing 1 element. Okay, subsets containing 1 element. 1 element is a subset any. 1 element is subset any. Set with 1 element. Right? Set with 2. Set with 3. Like this. 10 subsets you get containing 1 element. Containing 2 elements. 10C2. Containing 3 elements. 10C3 plus 1 up to 10C10. This is 2 to the power of 10. This formula is 2 to the power of 10. This you will get in binomial theorem. In binomial theorem, you get the y 2 to the power of the 10C10. That is 2 to the power of 10. So why this 2 to the power of 10? Then binomial theorem we get it. Okay, so but here you need to understand that is number of selections. Note 1. What I'm telling, note 1. Number of selections. Number of selections of R objects when n different objects are there. N different objects are there. Here is 10CR. So that's what it is. Number of selections. Okay, or this is only number of selections or number of subsets. Number of subsets. Okay, this is, I think everybody is clear. Okay, and then next some number of note 1 I told note 2. Note 2, that is here you need to remember some of the things. What is that? 10P4 means what? 4 times you should write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. This 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, this formula but you should be able to write directly like this. Okay, right. But 10C4 means also you should be able to write. What is that? I told 10 factorial by 10 minus 4, 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Already this what is that? 10, 9, 8, 7. This 10P4 by 4 factorial. No? 10C4. 10C4 is nothing but what? This 10P4 by 4 factorial. 10P4 is what? 10, 9, 8, 7. So this is 10, 9, 8, 7 by 4 factorial is what? 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. 10C3. 10, 9, 8 by 3, 2, 1. Like this. You should be able to write directly. This is a next note. 3. Here 10C10. Meaning 10C10 meaning is what? 10C10 meaning number of combinations of 10 different objects taken 10 at a time. We are taking all at a time. Taking all at a time. This is 10 factorial by 10 factorial. This is comes to be 1. So that means what? That means NCN equal to 1. Now NC0 number of combinations of different objects taken 0 at a time. That means you are not taking it out, not taking at all anything. So that is also considered to be one way. Okay, that's also considered to be one way. Your 10C0 is nothing but what you are getting. NC0 is nothing but NCN you are getting. Okay, number 1 point. Understand this one. And number 2, NC1. NC1 is N only, na? Here see. NC1 is just n by 1. So NC n minus 1 also same. NC n minus 1 also same. NC1 means what? N only. NC n minus 1 is what? N factorial by NC n minus 1. N factorial by n minus n minus 1 factor into n minus 1 factorial. So n factorial by this is, you see, 1 factorial into, see, n minus 1 factorial. So n factor you can write as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. Already we learned this one, which is n. So NC n minus 1. So NC2 what you get, you know, n into n minus 1 by 2 na 2 1. This is also NC n minus 2 also same. So on, if you write now NC r equal to what you get, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, right? This is, you get NC n minus r also, you get the same, n minus r factor into r factor. So this is the thing. So therefore finally, what is the third note? Third note is this, NCR equal to NC n minus r. Note 3 is this, NCR equal to NC n minus r. Note 4. You see now from this what you get, from note 3 what you get is NCR equal to NCS, let us say. So that means simply R equal to S. Okay, all right, this is correct, no doubt. So R equal to S, that's true. That means NC3 equal to NC3. That's true. These both are equal. That's true. Another also there. This one, NCR equal to NCN minus R. So NCR equal to NCS means R equal to S. So NCR equal to NCR. NCR equal to NCR. Therefore R equal to R. That is S can be equal to R. This S can be equal to R. Also S can be equal to N minus R. Understand? Understand? Here NCR equal to NCS means what? S can be equal to R or S can be equal to N minus R. S can be equal to N minus R also. Hope you got it. So therefore that implies what? You get N equal to R plus S. That's important. So two things I told. NCR equal to NCS implies R equal to S. Both are equal. There is no problem in this. Absolutely fine. Or S equal to N minus R also. That is S equal to N minus R means what? N equal to R plus S. Okay, this one. Or any one of these two can happen. Okay, NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S, or R equal to N plus S. Okay, for example, what is that example? So 10C3 equal to, you can say 10C3 or 10C7 also, both are same. 10C7 also. So that means what? So that is 3 equal to 3 or 10C3 equal to 10C7 means what? 10 equal to 3 plus 7. Obviously will happen like this. 10C3 equal to 10C7. No, that means what? 3 plus 7 must be equal to this. So that's what the meaning of this. NCR equal to NCS, then N equal to R plus S. If you do N, you get N equal to R plus S or R equal to S. That's what is a 4, not 4. 5. So NCR by NC R minus 1. Okay, NC R minus NCR by NC R minus 1. Okay, I'll write like this. NCR by NCR minus 1. This many times we get. Okay. So that's why reason I'm telling. See, N minus R plus 1 by R. Okay, N minus R plus 1. N minus R plus 1 by R. So, okay, this is, okay, all right. So, this is not much difficult. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Divided by, this is N factorial by N minus R minus 1. Right, factorial into R minus 1 factorial. This I wrote. NCR I wrote N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is N factorial by N minus R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. N factorial cancel. Okay, this R minus 1 factorial comes up to R minus 1 factorial. And this also, what is this? N minus R plus 1 factorial also comes up. This I wrote. This is the denominator. What is that? N minus R factorial. R factor, what I can write next? N minus R factor into R factor, what I can write? R into R minus 1 factor, I can write R factor. Cancel. This also what I can write? N minus R factor, what I can write? N minus R plus 1. దీనికి ఒక reduce చేసి రాయొచ్చు. N minus R factorial. Okay, 8 factor, what I can write? 8 into 7 factorial. Similarly, I wrote n minus r plus 1 factor, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Like that. Okay, this one I wrote. No? So therefore, what is left numerator? N minus r plus 1 divided by r. So that's what I wrote. N minus r plus 1 by r. So for example, so what is that? 10c4 by 10c3. అంటే ఏంది ఇగో 10c3 అంటే దీంతో డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు n మైనస్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ 1 n మైనస్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ 1 అంటే దీన్నే అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ n మైనస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 అన్నట్టు బై ఆర్ n మైనస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 ఈ n మైనస్ దిస్ వన్ సో 10 మైనస్ 3 7 బై దిస్ 4 7 by 4 is your answer. 10 minus 3 rayali by 4 you should write. So this is directly you can, this is many times you have to use it. That's the reason I wrote that. 6 and this 6 let's take. NCR equal to what? N by R if you keep aside n minus 1 C R minus 1. This is very, very important this also. What does mean? What is the meaning of this? Number of combinations of n different objects taken R at time. Okay, first I can select first I want to select one object first. So what is that? N by R into n minus 1 C R minus 1. How do we get this one? How do we get this one? So simply what you can say is NCR, we already have NCR. How do we get this is n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? n into n minus 1 factorial we can write. Down what you can write? n minus 1 minus R minus 1 రాయొచ్చు. n minus r factorial ని ఇట్లా రాయొచ్చు ఇంటూ ఒక r పక్కన పెట్టుకుంటే r into r factorial రాయొచ్చు r into r factorial n by r పక్కన పెడితే n by r పక్కన పెడితే n minus 1 factorial by here n minus 1 minus r minus 1 రాసిన n minus r factorial this is the n minus r factorial you can write because 1 gets cancelled. Okay, r factorial into this is sorry this r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, r minus 1 factorial. R into R minus 1 factor. R I kept aside. So this one what I can write? N by R into what I can write? This is n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 C R minus 1. Okay, NCR equal to n by R into n minus 1 CR minus 1. But already we have what we have in NPR we have. What is that? N into PR minus n into n minus 1. N into n minus 1 PR minus 1 we have. This one already I told you. So number of, so that means what? First blank you can fill in ways. Remaining R minus 1 blanks with n minus 1 objects, n minus 1 PR minus 1. Already I told you. NPR equal to n into n minus 1 PR minus 1. NCR equal to n by R into n minus 1 CR minus 1. Okay, like that. So, but see, for example, you have 10C4. Already I told 10C4 means you should be able to write directly. I told you already. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4, 3, 2, 1. So what you can write? 10 by 4 if you keep aside. 10 by 4 if you keep aside. What you can do? So 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. So 9C3. 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 9C3, like this. So for example, yeah, this one also again what you can write 10 by 4 into 9C3, what you can write 9 by 3 if you keep aside 8C2, like that. Understand this. This also give aside 8C2. So this is NCR, therefore NCR, n by R if you keep aside n minus 1 CR minus 1. If you want you can again write n by R into n minus 1 by R minus 1 into n minus 2 CR minus 2. Like this you can write. Like this you can write and keep on writing like that. Like a factorial you can write like this. Like factorial, what you can write? N factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial you can write, or n into n minus 1 into n minus 1 also you can expand n minus 2 factorial. Like this you can keep on writing. Similarly NCR also you can write like that. This is important note for you. Okay, hope this is you understood this one. 6th. Let's go to 7. 7, what is that? Already I told you this one. NPR I already told you. What is that? Number of permutations of n different objects taken R at time. So here these you can divide into two. Containing a specific object. Containing a specific object ante first run arrange chesi r blanks lo remaining n minus 1 objects in r minus 1. Okay, plus not containing a specific object n minus 1 p r. Okay, not containing specific object ante అది లేకుండా స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్నటువంటి పర్మిటేషన్స్ ఇవి. స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం అనుకున్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్న పర్మిటేషన్స్ ఇవి, లేని పర్మిటేషన్ అంటే పక్కన పెట్టి మిగతా n minus 1 objects I have to fill in r blanks. ఇది నేను చెప్పా ఆల్రెడీ మీ ఫార్ములా npr equal to n minus 1 pr plus r times n minus 1 pr minus 1. But here and now this seventh note ncr also you can write like this ncr. So here also number of combinations of n different objects taken r at time. So here also ncr also you can divide into two. Containing a specific object. Specific object. Okay na, n objects lo oka specific object unde combinations not having specific object. Not having specific object అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక 10 ఉన్నాయి. 10 అంటే 10 objects ఏమనుకుందాం 1 2 3 so on up to 10 అంటే number of combinations in which 7 is there. 7 ఉన్నటువంటి 4 letter combinations అనుకుందాం. 4 letter or 4 object combinations. 4 object combinations in which 7 is present and not present. 7 is specific object ante like 7 ఉన్నవి 7 లేనివి. 7 ఉన్నవి అంటే ఏంది, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 7 ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 7 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే 1 వేనే ఉన్నదే 7 దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే 1 వే. రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మరి 9 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. 9 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ నుంచి ఎన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఇంకా 3 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే 7 ఉన్న కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇవి. ఆర్ 7 ఉన్న కాంబినేషన్స్ అని ఉంటే ఆర్ 7 లేని కాంబినేషన్స్ అని ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా, 7 అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్న కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇవి. 7 లేదు లేని కాంబినేషన్స్ అంటే ఏంది, 7 పక్కన పెట్టి 9 నుంచి 4 తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, కంటైనింగ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్న ఏంటి అంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండాలంటే ఏంటి, దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. దట్స్ 1 వే. అండ్ n minus 1 objects, remaining n minus 1 objects will be there. From remaining n minus 1 objects you have to select r minus 1 objects because one object already selected. Okay, this specific object what you want you selected already. And here or this way, and number of combinations in which the specific object is always present, and number of combinations in which specific object is always absent. Always absent means what you should do, that you have to keep aside. అది తీసి పక్కన పెట్టాలి. 7 తీసి పక్కన పెడితే n minus 1 ఉంటాయి. n minus 1 నుంచి ఎన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, r సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Therefore ncr equal to very important formula is n minus 1 cr means not containing specific object and this is containing specific object. ncr formula ఇది this many times we use. Hope మీకు ఇంతవరకు